Are you one of those who don't like borrowing when it comes to subtraction? Watch this. We have 250 minus 128. You know, to start, you have to start with this unit digit. 0 minus 8, which is not possible. You have to borrow from the next digit. So what you can do always is to make sure that you transform this first unit number to 9. And how can we change this to 9? I think simply by subtracting 1. So if you subtract 1 from the whole of this number, it becomes what? 249. Yes, because this is 50 minus 1 will give us 49. Subtract 1 here as well, so you have 127. So subtracting this or this mean the same thing. So 9 minus 7 will give us 2, right? 4 minus 2 is 2, and 2 minus 1 is 1. So we are done. What about this one? You can see that this is 7 minus 9, you have to borrow. So how can we change 7 into 9? You have to first of all take away the whole of this 7 so that you have 0 here. You subtract 1 again so that you have 9. So altogether you have to subtract 8 here. But if you subtract 8 here, the whole of this will become 19. And you can see the second digit, this will be 1 minus 3, you have to borrow again. So you have to consider the whole of these 2 digits. How can you make them 0 zeros? You have to subtract the whole of 27. And if you subtract 27, you have 400. Subtracting 1 will give us what? 399. So you have 399 after subtracting 28. Mentally, subtract 28 here. You know this is 39, right? Minus 28, you can see that this will be 1, 1. Then this becomes 2. So subtracting 239 from 427 is the same thing as subtracting 211 from 399. So 9 minus 1 is 8. 9 minus 1 is 8. 3 minus 2 is 1. If you want to confirm, you can do that. If you borrow 1 here, it becomes 17. And 17 minus 9 is 8. What do we have left here? We have 1. You borrow 1 here, it becomes 11. And 11 minus 3 is also 8. We have 3 here, minus 2 is 1. So all the same. If you have understood this, I want you to try 5, 2, maybe 3, minus 135. Do the same thing.